Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Cloudflare Turnstile for your website. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate your turnstile keys and prepare your site to defend against bots, while making things really easy for your real users. If you want a modern, user-friendly CAPTCHA alternative, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in. First things first, we need to generate the unique keys that identify your website to Cloudflare Turnstile. This step is kind of like making a name tag for your site, so only you can manage how Turnstile protects your pages. To get started, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. If you've used Cloudflare before for DNS or security, you'll feel right at home. In the sidebar on the left, find and select Turnstile. This is their dedicated area for managing human verification. Once you're in the Turnstile section, look for the Add Widget button. Go ahead and click that. You'll be prompted to enter a descriptive name for your site or application. This name is just for your reference. So pick something that makes sense to you, like main contact form or blog comments. A good name means you'll know instantly where each widget is placed, especially if you add Turnstile to different spots on your site. Next up is hostname management. Here you specify the domain or domains where the Turnstile widget will actually appear. For example, you might type in example.com or shopexample.com. If you leave this blank, Turnstile could technically be used anywhere. But specifying your domains is a great security practice. It's like giving Turnstile a guest list. It'll only work for the addresses you approve. Now let's talk about choosing your widget mode. Cloudflare gives you 3 options, each with its own benefits. And which one you pick depends on the experience you want for your site visitors. The recommended mode is Managed. In this mode, Turnstile automatically decides if a visitor should see an interactive challenge or if they can be validated quietly in the background. It's like having a smart doorman who lets friendly faces straight through and only stops people who seem suspicious. The non-interactive mode runs all the bot checks in the background. Visitors will see a widget, but they won't actually have to do anything. It's all silent unless there's a problem. And finally, Invisible completely hides the Turnstile widget, running checks entirely in the background. This is great when you want the most seamless user experience possible, though you might prefer the feedback of the visible widget on some forms. Take your time choosing. You can always change it later in the dashboard if you want to experiment, so no worries if you're not sure yet. With your settings in place, hit the Create button. Cloudflare will instantly generate 2 important pieces of information: a site key and a secret key. Think of your site key as your public identifier, what you'll use on your site's code, and your secret key as a password, known only to you and your server. Keep the secret key safe. You'll need these to set up Turnstile on your forms, login pages, or anywhere you want to block bots. And that's it. You've now got your Turnstile keys, and you're ready to start integrating human verification that's modern, private, and hassle-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot. If you have any questions or run into any snags, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck turning bots away with Cloudflare Turnstile.